Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be working on squaring numbers that end in 5. I'll just get right into it with an example. Okay. So for example, there's 65. Yeah, and we want to square this. So the first step, and I'm going to write out the steps for this, okay, to make it a little bit more clear. The first step is to write 25. So that's always going to be the last two digits of your answer, 25. And I guess that should kind of make sense because 5 squared is 25. So if that helps you remember it, that is why you're writing 25 at the end. Okay? And then the next step is to take the first number. So first number, and then multiply that. So times the first number plus 1. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm just going to erase this. And I'm going to rewrite it down here. Alright, so it was 65 squared. So if we look at our first step, it's to write 25. So you're going to write 25 as the last two digits. Let that be clear. So the last two digits. And then you're going to take the first number. And in our case, the first number is 6. And you're going to do times the first number plus 1. So it's going to be 6 times 6 plus 1, which is 6 times 7, which is 42. So your answer is 4,225. Alright, so let's go ahead and do another example. Let's do 115 squared, yeah? So if you remember from the last slide, the first step is to write 25 down as the last two digits, and then take, basically what I meant by the first digit is everything that comes after this 5. Alright, so if it was, now this isn't the example, I'm just writing this out to show you really quick. If it was 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 7, 1, 6, 9, 5 squared, right? I just wrote a abnormally large number, random. You would write 25, and then you would take this, alright? So you take 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 7, 1, 6, 9, and you would multiply all of that by that plus 1. So 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 7, 1, 7, 0. Yeah, and so I just did this to show you guys that it's not just the first number that comes after this 5, but all of the numbers that come after this 5. Alright, so let's just get rid of all of that now. And then let's look at the next step. So our numbers that come after 5 is 11. So you're going to do 11 times 11 plus 1, which is 12. And you should start to be able to do these on your own. Go back and look at the trick for multiplying a number by 11 if you don't remember that or if you haven't seen that video. And you should know that the answer is 132. And so your answer for 115 squared is 13,225. And then I will do one last example. So let's do 35 squared. Alright, so we know that we're going to have the last two digits be 25, and then it's a 3. So you're going to do 3, and then 3 plus 1, which is 4. So that's 12, and so your answer is 1,225. It's super simple. You can easily do it in your head, and it's kind of impressive, you know? Someone would just be like, hey, what's 115 squared? And you know the answer right off the bat. So, yeah, it's super easy. Just make sure you practice it. It does take practice. Do a question or two a day. That's all it takes. Do it for a few days, and you'll pretty much have it down. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!